Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is May 30th, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today we are gonna be doing the pre-week analysis for June 1st to the 5th, a brand new month. So I want everyone to pay attention to a lot of new setup they are gonna be setting up, especially the month of June. All right, so make sure if you have not hit the bell notification below, go ahead and do it, because tomorrow I will be posting the full week analysis for the week of June 1st to the 5th. So today is just a pre-week analysis so you can get a taste of what is coming next week. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and go to the next Forex disclaimer portion of it. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. That's what we are here for. All right, so like I said, we are here doing our pre-week analysis. This is for the first week of June 2020, from June 1st to the 5th. And we are going to be analyzing gold. We're going to be analyzing USDCHF. And we are going to be analyzing Euro and CD. So we are trading here with simplicity. Super easy. Simplicity, super easy. Simplicity Team with Irvin all the way. All right. So let's go ahead and make sure you subscribe, so you will not miss tomorrow our full analysis that we are going to do. All right. If you don't, well, good luck. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we have for this week. Remember guys, we the new system is coming out. The announcement is coming. It's gonna be done this week, so make sure that you pay attention to it. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, so you can get the updates and so on. And if you are watching us for the first time and you want to grab the new triple arrow system, we are going to be giving it to you guys for free. All right, so the first two licenses, it will not cost you anything, but you will get it for free anyway. The link of the triple arrow is in the description of this video. All right, so let's go and start with our GBPAUD. Pay attention what GBPAUD is doing. What time frame that I'm using here? First of all, I'm using 4 hours. So what I'm expecting to see here, guys, I'm expecting to see a triple arrow formation in this area. So that's why I'm thinking market will go and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. From our 23.6 Fibonacci line, I'm looking for a small retracement to retest these lows here. Then the market will continue up and retest our golden area Fibonacci. For those that don't know where is our golden area of our Fibonacci, let me go ahead and make a box out of it so you can see it. Usually the golden area of our Fibonacci is our 61.8, our 50 Fibonacci, and our 38.2 golden area. I call this a Fibonacci golden area. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any question, guys, my private telegram is in the description of this video. I have a lot of information on the description of the video. Always read that, guys. And I'm gonna pin the comments. Maybe I will post the link for tomorrow as well. I'm gonna put it in there so you can have all those links ready to go. Okay, so it's always good to read what the description has. But if you are watching us for the first time, make sure you hit the bell notification below. All right, so let's go and analyze the next pair. Hopefully this makes sense. If you guys have any question, please let me know. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and do USDCHF. Pay attention what our triple arrow is doing. This is very important, guys. You guys will love the new indicator. Oh my goodness, the new triple arrow guy. Oof, you guys will love it. I'm telling you, the month of June will change many and transform many different lives. But guys, my personal opinion is you need to have rules. It doesn't matter what comes to your way. If you don't know how to trade with rules, nothing will work. So make sure you watch the video they are gonna be posting. We are gonna be posting on it. Make sure you watch those. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed anyway, so you can get all the in and out of the new system. All right. So pay attention what the triple arrow is doing here. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. That's exactly what it's doing. Right now it's doing a pullback. So in my opinion, market is still gonna give us maybe 1 or 2 or 3 more candles before the market takes off and give us a bullish market, retesting our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, market will give us another retracement on our 23, and then market will continue back as bullish market. But we are coming back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna reviewing all this information all over again and see how accurate we have been in our trading system. So remember, we are here coming at 6 p.m. Eastern time. All right, so make sure you don't forget that. And the only way you're not gonna forget is when you hit the bell notification and make sure you subscribe. All right, so hopefully this makes sense, guys. Do you guys have any question? Guys, if you guys found the value of this video, all I'm asking you is to go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you think it's fun, you found the value out of it. If you think I need to improve one way or another, go ahead and comment below. That is the only way that I can improve my skills and come in and give you this information. Remember, I'm here giving you all this information at no cost to you. I'm just proving to you guys the triple arrow is the best system in the world. So hopefully all that works. And if you do have any question, write it, comment below. If you want to get in touch with me, also my private Telegram group is in the description of this video. All right, so everything is in there. Sign up for triple arrow, my private Telegram, all the Telegram group where I put sometimes signals and so on. There's plenty of information all over. So make sure you read that. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze the next pair. Pay attention what Euro NCD is doing. Euro NCD, pay attention. First of all, we are using what time frame for ours. Now, what is our triple arrow doing? Our triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. So this is what I think is going to happen for this week. Remember, we are trading the very first week of June, June 1st to the 5th. So this is what I think is going to happen. In my opinion, market is going to come and retest our 61.8 Fibonacci line. From there, market will go back up and retest our 23.6. That is what it's going to do. So we are coming back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. where we're going to redo this all over again. So you're going to see the accuracy of our triple arrow. So that's what I want everyone to hopefully go back to your MT4, reanalyze it with me. And if you guys are confused, make sure, guys, there's a lot of triple arrow pullback. In my personal experience, guys, everyone's need to be out of pullback. If you trade pullback, guys, pullback will break your neck. It will break your account. It will make you upset. It will do all the negative things. So in my opinion, always pay attention for those pullbacks. Pullbacks are not worth it unless if you have experience in your belt. If you don't, better off stay away. So all that, when I do the one-on-one, my private session, guys, this is what I usually teach behind scenes, how to avoid pullback, how to avoid blowing your account, and so much and so much. Unfortunately, I cannot release everything here because it takes time, but I will make you a signal to yourself. All right, so you can compete with any senior trader. It doesn't matter the background they have in their belt. You will beat them. I guarantee you that. You will beat them. All right, so let's move on and go to our trade of the day. Everyone is anxious to see what is gonna happen with gold. So let's go ahead and bring gold, because this is what everybody is hungry for. I've been telling you guys all this movement. I told you guys exactly when the market was going up. I told you guys when the market was dropping. I told you last week when the market was gonna go up. So I've been telling you every way of the market, whatever the market was be doing here. I've been telling you over and over again. The accuracy of the way how I use the triple arrow is pretty amazing. But what is our triple arrow doing? Pay attention. Triple arrow is telling us that gold is doing bearish, isn't it? Yes, it is. Pay attention to this one, guys. Look at here. We got a shoulder here, and we're looking for another shoulder formation here. See, look at that. Do you see it? That is exactly what gold is doing. I don't know what is your opinion. I don't know if you guys using a different software. If so, if you're using a different software, go ahead and analyze it. But look at how quick we do this. When I do the one-on-one, my job to make you guys is to read this data in less than 5 seconds. And I do it. It has been proven. I have trained so many of you guys, and this is how I make it. But look at here. No stress. Boom, boom, boom. Right in front of your eyes. Now, Irvin, what do you think gold is going to do this week? In my opinion, guys, so gold is sitting in our golden area Fibonacci line already. So all we need to do is wait for, 1 or 2 more candles. Then the market will drop down, retest our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, it will come back and retest our 38. Then market will come down. That is just my personal opinion. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze these hundreds of pips out of the market. All right. So if you want me to go behind scene and show you how I trade, that is different. The description of my Telegram is on the description of this video. All right. So this is what I have. Make sure you guys tune in for tomorrow analysis. It's gonna be probably I'm gonna do 10, guys, because I've been giving you guys like 14 every week after week after week, and it's a lot of work behind scene, to be honest. So I'm just trying to spend time in the pool and so on, because it takes time. All right, so do you guys have any question? Let me read some of your question and see if I can help you out. All right, there you go. Let me answer that question. Any other question, guys? Make sure you guys sign in, okay? And be on the lookout for the new triple arrow system that is coming. It will blow your mind. You will love it. I love it. Everyone we love it behind scene in the office, so you will love it. So make sure, if you are watching us for the first time, if you want to grab the triple arrow, the description of the triple arrows is on the bottom of this link. Okay, take a look at it if you want to join us. Anyway, we're gonna give it to you for free. Okay, all right, guys. So I don't know if you guys have any other question, because if you guys don't have any question, what do you think I'm gonna do next? Because I want to do one damn thing, guys. What do you think Irvin is gonna do? Well, Irvin will go back to the pool. All right, guys. So hasta la vista.